What should I do if someone makes a complaint against me?
If someone made a complaint against you, you should get legal advice, always. Police are great at kind of suggesting that you should maybe go down to the police station for a chat. That's usually the way it's framed. It's a chat. Well, they don't do chats. They do interrogations, and they're pretty good at interrogations. But if they told you, we want to have an interview here where you'll be interrogated, you might be alarmed and you mightn't go down there. So that's kind of framed in a kind of an informal way, so that in your mind, a chat, you'll associate that with something informal, like you meeting your friends for a cup of coffee. That's a chat. But you don't have chats inside the police stations. But you should get legal advice if you're asked to speak to the police about some allegation.
What is the burden of proof in a criminal case?
In a criminal case, the burden of proof rests with the prosecution. They have to prove that you committed the offence, and they have to prove it to the standard of beyond a reasonable doubt. So the burden is with them all the time. You, the defendant, don't have to prove anything. You're not obliged to prove your innocence. You don't have to, if you don't want to, give evidence, and nothing can be inferred from that refusal. In fact, it happens quite a lot. People don't do it. The prosecutor must prove that you're guilty beyond a reasonable doubt right the way through. There's no requirement on the defendant to prove anything whatsoever.
What is the definition of criminal law?
Criminal law is a system of laws that's designed to deter people committing offences against the public or individuals. So where those things happen, even we say for offences like drink driving, where the person who commits the offence didn't hurt somebody else, hopefully, that person is prosecuted on behalf of the public at large. So the public at large, it's in their interest not to have people doing these things in society, even though they themselves individually weren't affected by it. That's what criminal law does. It prohibits actions and punishes people who commit those actions.